Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make soupy macaroni. First, bring 2 cups of water to a boil in a medium saucepan. Add 1 cup of elbow macaroni to the boiling water. Cook the macaroni for about 10 to 12 minutes, or until it is very soft and has absorbed most of the water. Remember, the key is not to drain the water, as this creates the desired soupy consistency. Once your macaroni is soft and soupy, it's time to add the creamy goodness. Reduce the heat to low and stir in 1/4 cup of milk and 1 tablespoon of butter until melted. Next, add about 1/2 cup of shredded cheddar cheese, stirring constantly until it's fully incorporated and smooth. Finish by seasoning with 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of black pepper to taste. Keep stirring the macaroni on low heat for another minute or 2, ensuring all the cheese is completely melted and the sauce is smooth. The consistency should be thick and creamy, yet still distinctly soupy, not dry. This method ensures a rich, comforting dish every time. Serve your delicious soupy macaroni immediately while it's warm for the ultimate comfort food experience. For a little extra kick, consider adding a dash of your favorite hot sauce or a sprinkle of paprika. Feel free to adjust the amounts of cheese and milk to achieve your perfect level of creaminess and soupiness. This recipe is incredibly versatile. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, plus other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.